now let's take a look at our game highlights. Grabe no, yung kay Junmar, kanina sinasabi lang natin, nalilibit siya ng Rain or Shine. And you'll see it dito sa highlights natin kasi in the first few sequences, wala ka masyado makikitang Junmar eh.
Yeah.
Late na siya nagparamdam dito. In fact, in the first quarter, it was a lot of Rain or Shine.
Actually, pinakita natin yung top of the coverage, yung graphic no, ng SMB. Kapag not, biglang double figures and then iba-ibang players sa kanila double figures. Terrence Romeo. Again, Terrence Romeo coming into the ball game. Yung kanyang last second 3-point shot to end the first quarter of action, and then a barrage of points to start yung second quarter of action. So pretty much Terrence Romeo lifting the Beermen nung first half of action siya.
Alam mo kung hindi nga nakapagparamdam si Terrence in that late in the first quarter, early second, baka tuluyan na nakalayo yung Rain or Shine. And that was really what sparked San Miguel. And eventually nakahabot sila. They even took the lead by halftime.
But the thing is, the scorers are scorers. Diba kahit na bad shooting night para dito kay Chris McCullough, talagang ipinapasok pa rin. And yung scorers mentality niya is to just fire away until he hits his shots. But eto, JB Mocon, siya yung best player on the side of Rain or Shine. Kaso natalo sila. Pretty much doing it all para sa Rain or Shine was JB Mocon.
Oh naman. He had 20 points and 8 rebounds, and Mocon was really spectacular. Tinulungan din naman siya nila Dakiwag. You also saw some contributions from Rain ng Batak. It was actually the younger guys, Rain or Shine, na talaga nagparamdam. But come the fourth quarter, we said it, na doon na talaga tuluyang nakapag na-turn on o na-flip ng San Miguel yung switch nila that we already know that they have. It was a lot of McCullough, it was a lot of Fajardo, and even though nakakapagparamdam pa yung Rain or Shine, you see plays like this.
Yeah, nice to see the parents of Rain ng Batak enjoying. Very, very proud parents. Pero nagkulang lang ng konting-konti. Rain or Shine, dahil back to business is Jumar Fajardo and the Beermen.
The play before that, diba? Fajardo setting up McCullough for the 3. To the very next play, returning the favor, McCullough sinetap si Jumar for the two-handed flush. And at the end, it was San Miguel escaping with a